The day is cold and dark and dreary. It rains and the wind is never weary. The voice still clings to the moldering wall, but at every gust the dead leaves fall, and the day is dark and dreary. My life is cold and dark and dreary. It rains and the wind is never weary. My thoughts still cling to the moldering past, but the hopes of his forsaking blessed, and the days are dark and Be still, sad heart, and cease repining. Behind the clouds is the sun still shining. Thy fate is the common